Here we have a 2009 Tahoe swing tongue trailer. White, black, and red. Does have a tower on it with some wakeboard racks. Bimini top, full cover. Has a Mercruiser 4.3 liter MPI, so it's fuel injected. Could use some new tires. They look like they're starting to crack there. Skeg looks good. Tie downs on the trailer. There's the Q5I model. We'll go inside here. Does have a transom walkthrough, which is really nice. Also, where you walk through, this cushion pulls out, so you have another seat for someone to sit down. Nice sun pad. Rated for 8 passengers. Stereo, little built-in cooler, 12-volt plug there. Nice bow. Dual captain's chairs. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's in Antioch.